trying to confirm, everybody's tired all the time, right? No matter how much sleep we get or caffeine we consume, but also we have a lot of trouble even just falling asleep, and we're constantly hungry, but also kind of always nauseous, and we're chugging more water than any other generation has ever chugged before, yet we're still dehydrated, and we're losing hair and getting wrinkles, but also still have acne, despite having the most intense skincare routine, and we're spending every waking moment either working or cleaning, but feeling like nothing ever actually gets accomplished, and we want to go out and make and see our friends, but staying at home is all we really have energy for. So we're juggling this like want to isolate ourselves but craving connection, so we just scroll and scroll and scroll, and we feel like we're wasting our life, but the life that's been set up for us just sucks. And you think that it's burnout, but since 2020 our body hasn't even really known what reality feels like anymore.